What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the channel, people. Today we have a special guest. We have Megan in the house. Say what's up.
Hi.
She's a little bit nervous, but trust me, she's got some fire skills. Today you're showing us the behind the back cross, right?
Yep.
Or the TS, as you call it. How long have you been skipping for, by the way?
About 3 years, started in lockdown.
Another lockdown skipper?
Yeah.
How did you get involved?
Just saw you, really. Saw first video.
That's how we roll, man. But you're here, and yeah, she's here with her family doing a little tour of the HQ. You having fun today?
Yeah, loving it.
Yeah?
Absolutely amazing.
You know what, guys? We've already done this move on the Jump Rope Labs. We actually featured you, Megan, and I couldn't do this move. And I'm still not going to be able to do this move. Bit, you know, disabled when it comes to how I get my hands behind here. I don't know if that's appropriate to say. So basically, right, guys, I've tried this quite a few times. And I found if we turn our backs to the camera,
yeah.
You show how much you can cross your arms, and I'll show how much I can cross mine. So I'm literally like stressing here.
You just like pull your arm.
I can't. Basically, I don't know why I'm in this video, but we're just here to learn from Megan today. Right, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna get Megan to show you guys this move, and then we're gonna break it down for you. And we've got loads of slow motions that we've already pre-recorded to help talk you through this whole motion. Because right now, I still can't do it, and we just need to see it in slow motion. I think it's the easiest thing. So, okay. Do you want to try to show us one time?
Yeah.
How it looks? Cool. Brilliant. All right, hold it there. Easy. How'd you make it look so easy?
I don't know.
Right, so I guess flexibility is important, right?
Yeah.
You talk me through, as if you're teaching me, so what would be kind of like the intro into the move?
Timing. So I'd say you just want to cross as the rope's just gone under your feet.
Yep.
So then you've got time for the loop, and then you can jump through the loop.
So when you say cross, the cross happens as you jump through, yeah?
Just after you've jumped through that.
Yeah, do you want to just demonstrate that one little piece? So you don't have to finish the whole move, but it's kind of like...
So just like when the rope's done under your foot, then cross.
Oh, that's interesting. So you're literally, it's kind of like one motion,
yeah.
Right? I'll just smack myself. Okay, so that's actually key, right? So I think when I first saw the move, I thought it was kind of like you jump. Some people can't really understand the timing, isn't it? So your hands are kind of jumping over the rope, and at the same time they're folding behind you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So once you've done that motion, does your wrist do anything?
Well, the cross is the important bit. So I think, obviously, as wide as you can get them.
Yeah.
And then it is a little turn, yeah.
So a little turn, yeah? Let's come up to the camera quickly here. Let's show them. You're gonna do a little rotation like that.
Yeah.
Where do you maybe go wrong in it, or where will people go wrong in it?
Crossing too quickly and uncrossing like straight away.
Yeah. So, show us a little demonstration, like as in if you do trips. If you come back to this little arc point, so they kind of just rush it. I bet you're gonna do it now.
Like that.
Yeah. So they're kind of just doing it. I mean, I'm never going to do this move, right?
Crossing and uncrossing too quickly.
Yeah.
Basically.
So you want that first cross to be nice and smooth?
Yeah.
Okay.
And hold it like a second or two.
And to hold it for a second or two, get the rotation.
Yeah.
All right, want to show us that one? Nice. All right. So it's kind of, that's one motion there, and then you're unfolding them out here.
Yeah.
All right, so how would you kind of get into this move normally?
Normal, I'd start basic bounce.
Basic
bounce, and then, cross.
Could you do like a combination with it potentially?
Yeah, once you've done it, I think.
Yeah.
It's like a hit and miss move, like sometimes you did it.
Yeah. So you always do basic bounce with it?
Yeah,
and
that's how I start, yeah.
What about posture? What about how people should kind of feel like when they're sort of doing this? Do they feel like they should kind of be bending down a bit more or no?
I'd say upright.
Upright, yeah? Yeah, because I kind of feel like, I mean, I'm never going to do it like I said, but I was doing it down because I was trying to get a bigger cross. Man, but you can have your little laughs right now if you want. Fuck, how's this going wrong?
Yeah.
But that doesn't help them, right?
No, because then your loop goes further out and shorter.
Yeah, and then it looks stupid, doesn't it? That's why I look like this. This is just a quick tutorial, guys. It's just more of a case of, I've done this on Jump Rope Labs and done slow motions with Megan, but now we're lucky to have her right here. Hopefully you can try this at home. It's not easy. Like, how long did it take you to learn this?
A long time, about a couple of days, like working non-stop at it.
Yeah, how old are you?
15.
15, started when you were what, 12?
Yeah.
Mental. So
3 years ago.
Takes a bit of time. It's not easy. I'm gonna put this one on the shelf for me. All right, let's see it one more time live. before we close out the video. Nice. Put it there. Too sick. Bring it in, bring it in. Shout out to Megan. People, this is a very, very advanced trick. Give it a go. You've done well. You've done really good. Well done for your debut on YouTube.
Thank you.
Hopefully the guys can find your work, because I'm going to put the Instagram right here. Thank you for inspiring the nation, the world, and everyone. You laugh, man. This might be seen by a few thousand people, hopefully. But guys, if you enjoyed that, drop it a thumbs up. And as usual, go check our links, get yourself hooked up, use Rush Time for 10% discount. And appreciate you guys showing love. Megan, you want to say bye?
Bye.
You're a little bit nervous, man. You've done well.
Yeah, thank you.
You've done epic, you've done epic. Show us some love down below, and peeps, I'll see you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.